Walmart Marketplace is an online platform that allows third-party sellers to list and sell their products alongside Walmart's own inventory. This partnership allows Walmart to expand its product offerings without the need for carrying inventory, while also providing smaller businesses with access to Walmart's vast customer base. The program offers sellers a range of benefits, including exposure to millions of shoppers, competitive pricing, and streamlined fulfillment and shipping options. Walmart Marketplace has become a popular choice for many businesses looking to grow their online sales and reach new customers. To create a Walmart Marketplace online store, follow these step-by-step instructions. 1. Start by visiting the Walmart Marketplace website and click on Apply Now to begin the application process. 2. Provide all the necessary information, including your business details, contact information, and tax identification. 3. After submitting your application, Walmart will review it and may require additional documents or information to verify your business. 4. Once approved, you will receive an invitation to join the Walmart Seller Center. 5. Set up your seller profile by filling in all the required information, including your store name, logo, and detailed product information. 6. Choose how to fulfill orders, whether through self-fulfillment or using Walmart's fulfillment services. 7. Upload your product catalog to the Seller Center, including product images, descriptions, and pricing information. 8. Set up your shipping options and policies, ensuring that you meet Walmart's fulfillment requirements. 9. Finally, review and launch your store and start selling your products on the Walmart Marketplace. Remember to familiarize yourself with Walmart's policies, guidelines, and fees to ensure a successful experience on the platform. The Walmart Marketplace Affiliate Program allows website owners and content creators to earn commissions by promoting Walmart products through affiliate links. By joining the program, affiliates can access a wide selection of Walmart products, competitive commission rates, and marketing resources to help drive sales. The program is free to join and provides easy-to-use tracking and reporting tools to monitor performance. With Walmart's reputation for quality products and competitive pricing, this affiliate program offers a great opportunity for affiliates to earn commissions while promoting a trusted brand.